This is how you're going to send a mass text on Square Appointments. This method uses the Square Marketing Automation feature, which is a paid add-on to send text messages to your customer list. First, you're going to access the marketing section. You're going to go to squareup.com and then you're going to sign in into your Square account. Now, from the main dashboard, you're going to focus on the left side of the screen. You're going to click on Customers, and if you're on the Square Appointments subscription, you'll be able to see the marketing tab right here. But since I'm not on the subscription, I will not be able to see it. But here's how you're going to do this. Now, in the marketing dashboard, you're going to click the option to create an automation or navigate to the automations tab. You will be prompted to choose the type of message like email or text message, and then you're going to click on a text message depending on what you want. Now, next is you're going to click on next. Next, Square will present information about the text messaging service, including the use of a toll-free number and any trial period, such as a 30-day trial. You're going to click on next. You will need to input or verify your required business information, which may include your business number, email address, and then contact name. Now, after that, you're just going to have to click on submit and then enter the desired sender name and click on next. You will be asked to confirm the payment details for the subscription service. Now, after setting this up, you will proceed to the automation creation tool. You will choose the audience for your automation, like all clients, clients who haven't booked recently, etc. And then you're going to enter the specific text message you want to send. You can personalize the text using customer variables. Now, you're going to have to review the automation settings, audience, and the text content. Now, next is you're just going to have to activate the automation to begin sending the text based on your chosen criteria. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.